Hello everyone, my name is Breno Liberato. I'm Brazilian guy, and the teacher of Street Samba. And this is what this video is all about. Why does Street Samba exist? Due to two main reasons. First, a very selfish one, that I was trying to find a way of life in which I feel comfortable and happy to do it, in the same time that they bring benefits to the people who I interact with. And it brings us to the second reason, which is that I really believe that this way of teaching is beneficial for the students, because it teaches you to dance samba in a free way, in the same time that helps you to build up a self-expression which is more free, authentic and confident.
Mulherada que dança é essa que o corpo fica todo mole. Mulherada que dança é essa que o corpo fica todo mole. É uma dança nova que bole, 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 bole. É uma dança nova.
How it works? It goes across many activities, ranging from concentration exercise, connection with your inner movement, musicality of samba, and footsteps. But those very footsteps are introduced slowly and gradatively to keep the learning as natural, fluid, and fun as possible.
Eu sou a chuva que lança areia do Saara sobre os automóveis de Roma.
What is Street Samba? It's an innovative and fun method that, besides to teach you to dance samba, helping you to enjoy such an uplifted rhythm in another level, also helps you to build up a self-expression which is more free, authentic and confident. So that's enough talking, let's samba!